Bonjour, je m'appelle Garma and today I'm here with a new topic that is le passé composé. That means past tense. Till now, we have learned about present tense. Now from today, we are going to start with past tense. Okay? So what is a past tense? It's very simple. The action that is completed in the past. For example, I had, I learned, I ate. So all these will be coming in past tense. Now the very first question in past tense is how to form past participle. So my another subheading is formation de passé composé. That means formation of past participle. So now there are some rules that I have written point-wise with examples. So now we are going to learn that. Okay. So now first one is verbs ending with er take. E with accent aigu at the end. That means instead of that er, we are going to put e with accent aigu. Okay. Now, ER, it is very clear that if the verb is ending with ER, that means it is first group of verb. Okay. So now let's have a look at the examples. First one is parler. Okay. Parler. Parler means to speak. Now, when we are going to change it into past participle, we are going to remove ER and we are going to put E with accent aigu. So, parler will become parler. E with accent aigu has a pronunciation of E. Okay? Parler. That means I spoke or I have spoken. Now the second one is aller. Aller means to go. Now in present tense the conjugation was je vais, tu vas, okay, il va, elle va. But here the thing is very different. Here, because it is ending with er, so we are going to remove er in the past participle and we are going to put e with accent aigu. So aller will become aller. Now aller means to go. So when it will become aller, the meaning will be went. I went. Okay. Now the second point. Verbs ending with IR will not take R at the end. So IR verbs means second group of verb. Okay. So we are going to remove last R from the infinitive verb. So finir. Finir means to finish. We are going to remove R from the end. So it will become fini. This will be finished. Okay, the meaning will be finished. Dormir means to sleep. Again, this R will be removed. So this will become dormi. The meaning will become slept. Okay, so in ER verbs, we are going to remove ER and will be adding E with accent aigu. And in IR verbs, we are going to remove last R from the infinitive verb. Okay, and we are going to write the past participle without R. Okay, now let's have a look at the third point. Now, the third point is verbs ending with DRE take DU at the end. For example, attendre, that means to wait for. It is ending with DRE. So, in past participle, instead of DRE, it will take DU. So, attendre will become attendu. That means waited for. Okay? Then, descendre means to come down. So, descendre at the end DRE. In past participle, we are going to write DU. So, it will become descendu. That means came down. Then, répondre. Okay? Means to reply, to respond or to answer. instead of DRE, we are going to write DU. So this will become répondu. That means replied, responded, answered. Okay? Now, the fourth point is verbs ending with RE take T at the end. For example, fair. Okay? Fair means to do or to make. Now, instead of this RE, we are going to add T here. So, fair will become fay as a past participle and the meaning will be changed to did or made. Dir, second one. Dir means to say or to tell. Now, instead of RE, we are going to add T. So, dir will become di. And the meaning will become said or told. Third example, écrire means to write. So again we are going to add T instead of RE. So écrire will become écrit and the meaning will become wrote. Okay, I said, I wrote, I did, I made, I replied, I came down from staircase, I waited for you. Okay, so in this way we are going to form the past participle. Now let's have a look at the next one. Now the next point is some verbs take U in place of RE or OIR. For example, lire means to read. So now we are just going to add U after L. So this will become liu and the meaning will be changed to read. Okay. Then voir means to see. So we are going to add U after V. So this will become view. So the meaning will become saw. I saw. Boire means to drink. So this will become BU. Bu. Which means drank. Okay. Now French is full of exceptions. So here also there are few exceptions. So the first one is mourir means to die. So the past participle will be mort. More. That means died. Netre means to be born. So this will take only E with accent aigu after N. So this will become ne, which means was born. Ouvrir means to open. So we are going to add ERT. So it will become ouvert. That means open. Okay. So in this way we are going to form past participles. Now in my next video I am going to tell you the conjugation of the verbs in past tense. Okay. So guys, if you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.